Keeping your pearly whites pearly white isn't easy, especially when your husband is the god of wine.
I've done it again. Babe, you have to try this.
No, look at my teeth.
But the legs on this one are almost as fine as yours.
Heyo. Okay, fine.
Savor it. Savor it?
Cause look, who avoids good things just because they stain your teeth?
Mortals.
I only smoke when I drink. You have to tell him.
I have to tell him.
Yeah, you should tell him.
You can try various whitening solutions, but just like my friends, they all have their problems. Whitening strips could cause sensitivity. Dentist treatments are expensive. I'm married to the god of wine, not the god of money. Activated charcoal? More like activated tooth damage. Oh, and there's Facetune, but trust me, people can tell.
You know that doesn't work, and plastic straws are banned in this household.
I told her, grapes don't cry when they get crushed, but they do whine.
Party sucks.
Luckily, I found out about the snow teeth whitening kit.
You're welcome.
Not from you. I saw it on Miss Universe's Instagram account, along with like a million others. Snow is the world's first at-home wireless system that whitens your teeth and improves your smile in as little as 9 minutes. You just brush your teeth, apply the whitening serum, throw in the wireless waterproof mouthpiece for up to 30 minutes, and boom, a whiter smile.
You look like a goddess.
I feel like a goddess. Snow is the most effective at-home whitening system thanks to its proprietary whitening serum and its patented LED mouthpiece. The LED light activates and accelerates the whitening serum, leading to faster results that whiten deeper than just surface stains. Pair it with the Snow app and it'll track your progress with automatic shade detection.
That's nifty.
Yeah, it's like the Tooth Fairy created a product with Elon Musk.
The tooth fairy isn't real.